Hello everyone, good morning. So right now I am in Kangra in Dharamsala and I came here to visit the Buddhist temple which is so popular in Kangra on the top of the hill of Kangra which is located just close to Dharamsala. So right now just explore together with me Dharamsala and Kangra. So it is a so popular places which is so many Buddhist pilgrims are coming to visit these places and really it's a very amazing place and I hope please. So let's see, there is lots of pilgrims and tourist places are coming to visit this place and I am also feeling so lucky person that today I got a chance to explore these places and we also know very well this is also the home of Dalai Lama who is also staying here from last many more years, who came from Tibet. So really it's a very natural place. We can see the beauty of this place which is located on the top of the hill in Kangra. And we can see in backside there are lots of another country flags are there which is belong from so many Buddhist country. So once again thank you so much and let's explore together today. Thank you so much.
So this is the entry gate of the Theng Chen Choling Buddh Vihar Dalai Lama Buddhist Temple in Dharamsala in McLeodganj, which is also popular as a Nam Gyal Monastery, which is quite popular. So this is the entry gate, and from this entry gate I am going. So we can see lots of Buddhist pilgrims are here, and this is also located just nearby the Tibetan refugee market. We can see which is quite popular here to do here shopping. So the temple is also a symbol of Tibetan culture and a spiritual haven for Buddhists. And this temple, Dalai Lama temple, which is built in 1959 after the 14th Dalai Lama fled from Tibet at that time. So the temple's architecture blends Tibetan and Indian styles, and the main shrine houses a statue of Gautam Buddha that is a mural depict stones from Buddha life and teaching. So in 1959, the Dalai Lama and many Tibetan refugees found in McLeodganj in Kangra Dharamsala, and in 1960, the Dalai Lama and many Tibetans and his followers established the government in exile in McLeodganj, Himachal Pradesh. So the Dalai Lama opened a library of Tibetan works archives in 1960, and the significance of the temple is that this temple is a spiritual haven and a symbol of Tibetan culture and struggle. Visitors struggle. So visitors came to the temple to seek blessing, solace and guidance from the Dalai Lama, and the temple is located in McLeodganj, which is also known as a Upper Dharamsala. So this is the view. I am just inside the Nam Gyal Monastery. Look, this is the way. From this way I am going, and I am just close. We can see lots of Buddhists has come here to meet with the Dalai Lama in this complex. So I am feeling so awesome here, and it is on the top of the hill of the Dhauladhar mountain range, which is located in McLeodganj, Himachal Pradesh in Kangra Valley. So it's very natural place, and also it is good for mindfulness and meditation and spiritual, like that kind of things. So this temple, which is served as the spiritual and political center of the Tibetan community in exile for devout Buddhists and the seekers of truth, the Dalai Lama temple holds profound spiritual significance. It is not merely a place of worship but a sacred place where one can connect with the divine and embark on a journey of self-discovery. So visitors from all walks of life flocks to the temple to seek blessings, solace and guidance from His Holiness the Dalai Lama, whose presence imbues the temples with an area of compassion and wisdom. So it is very good place. So let's see. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. ओम मणि पद्मे हुम, ओम मणि पद्मे हुम, ओम मणि पद्मे हुम. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. ओम मणि पद्मे हम, ओम मणि पद्मे हम. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. ओम मणि पद्मे हम. बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, ओम मणि पद्मेहम, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, ओम मणि पद्मेहम, ओम मणि पद्मेहम। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, ओम मणि पद्मेहम। So this is the view of the temple. I am feeling so awesome here, and I also got a very good experience with the full positive vibes in this temple. So ओम मणि पद्मेहम, ओम मणि पद्मेहम। बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धर्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि, ओम मणि पद्मेहम। And this mantra Om Mani Padmehan, which is also written on this prayer dharma chakra, which is clearly visible from the here. So Om Mani Padmehan.